What's going on, everyone? So I've been thinking. I really like the way that the back end of the Subaru is coming along, but the front end is a bit too stock and a bit too busy for my liking. So let's try go ahead and change that today. So the first thing I want to do is take off the front plate. Ooh, yeah, that's a lot cleaner. So the dealership drilled in the license plate holes, and I don't like the way that looks, so I'm gonna put a cover on this. I picked up this plain license plate block off, and hopefully it'll look better. All right, so that cleans up nicely. I don't have that holes anymore, and it's just nice, solid, and black. The next thing that bothers me is the fog light. I feel like it's just draws your attention too much to it, so let's see what we can do here. I picked up 50% fog light tint from Premium Auto Styling, and I don't think it's gonna be easy to just apply it directly, so I'm gonna try to take off the vents. Alright, so that didn't come out as nice as I wanted, since that the tint is flat and the fog light is like a rounded surface, so I did not want to wrap around. So I actually had to bring out the heat gun just to stretch and shrink it a little bit. So it's not perfect, but you won't really notice the imperfections unless you're really up close. I think this should get the point across. Alright, so that ties in the front end together pretty well. I like how simple and clean it looks. There's no distraction from the fog lights and no distraction from the license plate. I think the only thing now we're missing is the front lip. Hey look, a lip. That's looking so much cleaner. It's kind of hard to see in here, so I'm gonna take the car out and try to get a better look at this. All right, so I drove through one of the hidden places near my house. I'll probably be coming here a lot to do some shoots of the car, just because I like the area and it's not too far from home. But yeah, let's try to take a look at the front end. Yeah, I think that looks really good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll probably do a cinematic walk around next time I'm here and tell you about all the parts I have in the car so far. It's not that much, but at least I think it'll be a decent video. Let me know what you guys think about the front end. And I'll see you guys next time.